In today's digital age, opportunities to generate income are just a few clicks away. Welcome to Chapter 5 of Turn Everything into Money, Leveraging Digital Platforms. Let's explore how you can transform the online world into a revenue stream. Social media isn't just for sharing memes and selfies. It's a powerful tool for building a personal brand and engaging with an audience. Tips: choose the right platform for your niche. Post consistently with valuable content. Engage actively. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build community. Leverage trends to boost visibility. Once you build a following, you can monetize through sponsored posts, partnerships, and even exclusive content platforms like Patreon. Content is king. Blogging, videos, and podcasts can become major income sources. How to monetize content. Blogging, use ad revenue, sponsored posts, and memberships. YouTube, earn through AdSense, sponsorships, and product placements. Podcasting, secure sponsorships and sell exclusive episodes. The key? Provide value, stay consistent, and drive traffic to monetize platforms. You don't need a warehouse full of products to run a business. E-commerce and dropshipping allow you to sell physical or digital products without holding inventory. Steps to start. Pick a niche with high demand. Set up an online store with Shopify, WooCommerce, or Etsy. Use dropshipping to fulfill orders without storing products. Market products using social media ads and SEO. With the right strategy, your online store can generate passive income while you sleep. Affiliate marketing lets you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. It's a great way to generate passive income. How it works. Join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Share a Sale. Promote products through blogs, social media, and YouTube. Earn commissions when people purchase through your link. With the right audience and trust, affiliate marketing can turn recommendations into revenue. Digital platforms are more than just tools. They're gateways to financial freedom. Whether through social media, content creation, e-commerce, or affiliate marketing, there's a way for you to turn everything into money. What's your next step? If you found this valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on making money in the digital world.